Welcome to another episode of Excel, Learning the Basics. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in this week's episode, we're going to be going over the Quick Access Toolbar. Coming up next. So here we are within Excel for Mac, and in today's episode we're going to be going over the Quick Access Toolbar and why it is a very useful thing to use for your productivity. And what I mean by that is it can help you speed up things that you want to do so that you can be more productive and not having to search around for different buttons that you use on a common basis. Now, with that being said, if you look up here, I am on a blank workbook here, and up here is the Quick Access Toolbar. And all of these are just commonly used items that you might include in your Quick Access Toolbar, and you can customize this section for tools that you use on a very consistent basis. For instance, we have a new workbook button. So therefore, we don't have to go up here to File, then do New Workbook, or you could always use a command in shortcut for a new workbook, but you can also just click on that and it creates a new workbook. You also have New from Templates also here. Instead of going to your File and New Template, just a really easy button to go and click, and you just go ahead and open it up. You also have an Open a Workbook, a Save This Workbook. You also have the print icon. You have a cut and copy, paste, copy formatting from one location and apply it to another. And then, of course, you have the undo and redo. You have the sum, which is a formula. And you also have arrange data. You have a display only the items that meet criteria that you specify. So it's basically a filtering. And you have this one right here, which is a show or hide the formula bar. You also have show or hide the toolbox, and you have show or hide media browser, and then of course the 100% display here where you can reduce or enlarge your workbook depending on a variety of reasons you might be able to use that. And then of course you have the help. Now you can customize this toolbar if you don't like some of these. So maybe you don't want to have show or hide this toolbar. So you can right click on it and you can go to properties here. You can change the properties of this one right here. Or if you want, you can, when you just right click somewhere and go to toolbars, you can change it also to formatting here, where you have all the formattings here if you want, or you can just go back to your normal standard formatting by unclicking the formatting box. You can also, like I say, customize your toolbar. And in here you have different commands that you can utilize. So if I wanted to get rid of this one, I could just drag it off here and now it is away. But you can only do that, so you can't drag this away and get rid of it. And you can't right click and delete it. The only way you can get rid of it is by going into Customize Toolbar, having the Customize Toolbar up, and then dragging it away, and now it's gone. So now I no longer have it there. And of course, if I want, I can also replace it with, let's say maybe I want, let's see here. Maybe I want the functions to be up here as well. So I can go ahead and click that and post it right there. Or maybe I want it close to the sum. So I have all the functions together. Also, you have different things that you can drag over there. Maybe I want a spelling check to be up here too. So whenever I'm doing stuff, I can just go over here and click on spelling check and it'll spell check it for me. So there's different things you can do with this Quick Access Toolbar to make your life a little bit easier when dealing with a spreadsheet or creating a workbook. Once you hit OK there, now these are set. So every time you go And let's quit Excel real quick and so I can show you this. So now if I go ahead and open up another instance of Excel, and you see it always starts off with a workbook here. And so now you see I have Excel opened up here, and all my toolbar is still the same as I had said it the last time. So this is a very useful way for you to create yourself a quick access, and that's what it means, quick access toolbar. It's quick access, so you don't have to go through here, and go through all this different stuff to get to what you're wanting. So that is basically the quick access toolbar. Just something that you can access quickly so you don't have to go through the menu items and go through drop-down menus and such to get through it, or go to different layouts to get to whatever it is you want to get to. It's something to make it easier for you to access commonly used items within Excel that you normally use when you're creating yourself a workbook. So, if you like this video, you know what to do. Click on that like button below. And if you want to see more of these videos in the future, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of any upcoming videos that I'm putting out. And so without further ado, I want to wish you all an awesome day, and let's become more productive. Thank you.